abeji bishomereri ya Standard High School zana na bamwe hari ababashemerirwe bwa nyuma yo kora kurunje buzo bya karicura mwensya ebya senior yakana
irizoba twashantu bya kushemererwa abo kushatora ibigezo bya senior yakana ibya nyuro wakaricuramo koko ibigezo byashohora abana bitu bingi bineza muri chemistry, biology, physics na mathematics hamwe na history akandi izindi subjects bine B kandi group eje ine B na nabani igana 5 na babiri kandi abajyo mu category ya C nabani igana 3 bahwera yaho.
Apollo Sabit twina masko umushomesa hishomereri nagira ngo umusinge murunje ngo batwire bine umbya science gukabahwera kora za projects ecwerera beje kora kurunje mbigizo byengenderwaho enshomesensia
so tucheze kusimwa bashomesa bitu hamwe na laboratory no kora za projects zibakozire kutamani minjo umukora sciences abo kugira ngo bakama bishomero n'aba science ne ba master bokushomesa science bakatamani minjo kugira ngo ishomero likoreje munonga sciences nco kureba ngo abana bitu umunyeje nyoro wakaricuramo abinju bakora za physics, chemistry, mathematics na biology.
Nishomera Standard High School zana the School of Champions azam kama baze kunyamba na ezo mukaga na B's shatu zima mkama mno kureba munyimba se roko banza ngasingisho mero zima batsha banje munonga kine bugariciro
umugande abeja bakozere kurunje buzo bya senior yakana hamwe n'abazire babona bakeyongera kwijaha kitebe cya Vision Group kushemererwa nitwe ahabo businguzo bwabo.
Results is a first community, that's why I'm so excited.
Nyowenka Evelyn nakola very well as I expected. Nakola as munonga abuka onko karisha mebere hindukire and then we have managed to make it.
Abantu bagira ngo karicura mwensya ebabonerire.
Nimuranshemerire shanga nakola first grade ya 16 from Sacred Heart SS Mushanga. So this journey was not an easy one, like for 5 years new curriculum stuff, the first time as in invading in the new curriculum, so you have to hustle and compete with different schools. So when I was down here, we had to struggle to managing.
New curriculum ebigetanguhi kuba ebintu by'emputeganisa twetwa turiaho bahindura bajamba balaipa twindrechi projects batwakorechi bajamba kandi hati twakuzenda bahindura, so it was very tiresome.
Nebazanyo mama wange asobodde okumperera fees banaye mwebaliza ddala.
Gasha kwa Ram Edwin.